Hello and welcome to my home. Today we're going to make French toast with eggnog in the batter. We're going to put a little bit of sugar. Now the eggnog is already sweet, so I'm just going to put the eggnog that we put in there. It's already sweet, so I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Butter and syrup on those nice crusty toasted French toast. So delicious. I prefer the gloves to have this coating on the inside. It helps keep your hands dry as you deal in sometimes wet soil in your containers. You're also going to need a watering can. Now watering cans come in many varieties. These are larger watering cans, several gallons of, worth of water you can get in these cans. Hello, welcome to my garden or my deck. I am going to check on how they look. It's been rather cold in the evenings, and nighttime has been dipping down around 27 degrees. So I want to go ahead and see how they're doing. I have them covered, which is something you have to have when you have these low temperatures, even for your winter hardy garden. So let's take a look. So let's take a look at my herbs. I have my parsley and cilantro. There's a bit of a glare, but you can see they're hanging in there. I really needed to cover those up. When it goes down below 32 degrees, even your herbs can take a beating. So let's check the cauliflower. I'm most concerned about them. Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you oatmeal in the microwave that's yummy and quick. We're going to do this with apples, cinnamon, and raisin. Let's go. It's cooked for 6 minutes. That's not going to be the total cooking time. That 6 minutes allows it to do a partial cook, and then you can look at it to see if you want to add any type of liquid to it. Now to me this is still looking a little undone. So I'm going to add some milk to it this time to give it some additional creaminess. Now I'm eyeballing this until it gets a little wetter looking. And if you don't want to use milk, cow's milk, you can use almond milk. You can put water in here. And this is just loosening it up some more because it's not done yet. And I don't want it to be bone dry as it's cooking. Because I'm going to put it in there for another 3 to 5 minutes until it's fully done. And the apples, let's test the apples. Yeah, they could be cooked some more too. So I'm going to get this back in the microwave and I'll show you the end result. That is yummy and creamy. So here I go. I can taste the burst of the raisin, the cinnamon in the background. So yummy.